So today what I decided to do was go through some mechanisms. So I'm just writing these out from memory with a cue card, and I was noting down which ones I was able to do from memory and which ones I needed help with. So my aim was to be able to determine which ones I could do and which ones I didn't need to bother revising much, and which ones I was really struggling with, so I needed to focus attention onto. Next, I'm making a giant Quizlet of all of my modules of the main things I need to remember, formatted as questions, as it's one of the most effective ways to get the knowledge into your head. So I ended up with about 400 cards in the end of questions from 4 modules. Then at 1 o'clock I had a lunch break and I had some soup with banana bread. And then after lunch I was emailed some crystal data from my lecturer, so I was processing that, and as you can see I have no idea how to work this program, I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're just going to pretend that this is working and I'm getting the stuff that I needed. But I did eventually work it out and got some pictures of the right crystal structures from the A, B and C direction. So this is me just formatting those images that I took into my thesis and writing all the captions so I know what everything is. And then I went through and just tried to write a bit more on my thesis. So the next few clips just are me writing stuff into my thesis of my data, and also then I went on to try and finish off my introduction. So after spending about 3.5 hours writing my thesis, my brain was absolutely melted, so I had quite a break of about 20 minutes here just to have some tea. And then back at it, writing away, crying as usual. Got to 6 o'clock and I sacked my thesis off and just went through the giant folder of Quizlet with 400 cards. So for chemotherapeutics, it's very biology and I feel like the lecturer is going to look for very specific answers. So I decided to write up all of the processes that we need to know in a very concise form as bullet points for what I think I would need to answer in an exam.